Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute users on Threads. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up the Threads app. Now click on the account that you want to mute. Here I'm clicking on any random account. Click on the menu button in the top right corner. Here you can see multiple options and mute button is on the top. So click on the mute button, then click on the mute button one more time. And that is how you can simply mute a user on Threads. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.